Hey guys, my name is Gael and welcome to my very first video on this brand new text channel. The reason why I made this channel is because I was getting way too many product review requests on my other channel that is dedicated to live streaming. So I made this tech channel dedicated to tech review. So if that's something that you like, consider clicking that like and subscribe button, of course. The goal here is to make a channel and videos that have honest reviews without all the theatricals, pretty much. So right here we have the AUKEY True Wireless Earbuds. This is my second pair of wireless earbuds ever. I started with a pair of Xiaomi True Wireless Earbuds and they broke after 3 days of usage. So I made the jump from, you know, 20 bucks to 30 bucks and we'll see how good those are. So they come in that little case. I actually really like, you know, that cardboard case is very, AUKEY is kind of known to have pretty good quality at a fair price. Oops. I actually saw the pictures and I'm not even a fan of the look because they have the logo on them, but at this price you will not complain. I'm gonna be able to grab it from the bottom like this. Oops. There you go. Okay, as you can see here we have this case. That's better. So here's the case and there it is. So it charges with USB-C. This is great because I'm starting to get so many gadgets that use USB-C. Pull this whole part out. See? And in there is a little card. What is it? A guarantee? Yeah, it's a 24 months product warranty. Really like the design, and then we have the user manual, and that's pretty much it. All right, so seems like there isn't much in there. It's probably a very small cable, I'm guessing. It is that's a tiny, who are they kidding? That's the tiniest cable ever. Not even USB-C. I'm just gonna rip it. There you go. It is not USB-C. Type-C, the image is flipped, but this says USB Type-C, right? And we get micro USB. Let's see if that's compatible at least. Okay, so it does charge. It does seem to be micro USB right here. There you go. There's a couple of LEDs that will indicate when it's charging, and I'm guessing how much battery is left. All right, let's open this bad boy. Whoop. Oh, I can feel some magnets, and this is what they look like inside. I can already see the protective film. Oh, that was weird. Why would they print USB-C if it's not? Very weird. Okay, there's a little strap. That's an elastic strap, so you can, I don't think that's meant to go around your arm. Probably go around your bag or something like that. That definitely would cut the circulation in your arm. Okay, let's take them off like this. Okay, pretty strong bond there. Oh, those are really gummy. That's interesting. Then here there's the protective film that we can just peel off. Forgot to close my window, so there's a lot of noise. Okay, and here you can start charging them. Let's see what happens when I put it back in there. Okay, the magnet does not allow it to, oh, it actually turns on. The magnet doesn't allow it to easily set in place though. You really have to be careful. You can't just drop them, which is weird because the cheaper one, the Xiaomi ones that I had, allowed me to do that. And I have all 4 LEDs shining bright, shining white right now. I don't know if those are RGB LEDs, but let's go ahead and do this. Whoops. Very gummy. It almost seems like there was glue or something. That's weird. Anyways, let's peel off this one. I'll do the same thing. Oh, okay. Drop it in, and they are both charging now. Let me pick up the manual real quick. So we have quick start guide. Okay, find your fit. Choose the size of ear tips provided. Oh, okay. Almost missed it. Yes, okay. That is great. We actually have a couple of ear tips. Apparently we should have at least 3 sizes. We have large, medium, and then small. Pairing. Take the earbuds out of the case, of course. The LED indicator on the earbuds will flash white and red. Turn on the pairing function on your device, so it's going to be Bluetooth. And then select them, of course. There's the control, play, pause. I believe there are multiple. Yes, there are multiple controls. So you tap once to play and pause on both of them. And then you can tap left. You can double tap left or double tap right if you want to skip to previous or next song. I think that's pretty cool. Answering calls. I don't get calls, so but you can do that too. Just one tap apparently on either. Then triple tap will activate Siri or other voice assistants. I personally use the Amazon Echo, so yeah, that's useful. I can ask for my Echo to turn on the lights before I get home, for example. That's great. Now there's the real user manual that is way bigger. And I wonder if I didn't check if there was a microphone integrated there. Okay, it does say microphone here. Well, there is a mic. It apparently takes 2 hours to charge. It does charge in USB, of course. And the case is supposed to charge the earbuds at least 4 times, according to the user manual. Okay, so here's what I was looking for. The LED status indicators. So if it's flashing red and white, that means it is pairing. Talking about the earbuds here. Flashing white, that means it's reconnecting. Solid red means it's charging. So this is what we have right now. And off after charging. So they will turn off once they are fully charged. Okay, but when it comes to the case, it flashes white when it's charging and it's a solid white when it's fully charged. So the case was shipped fully charged. That's good to know. And then they have frequently asked questions, mostly troubleshooting stuff. And then there's what's the wireless range of the earbuds? The maximum range is 10 meters. However, the actual range depends on environmental factors. For optimal performance, keep your devices connected with the earbuds within 4 meters to 8 meter range, and make sure that there are no major obstacles like reinforced steel walls between the earbuds and your device. Okay, apparently the only way to really turn them, well, you can't really turn them off. You just have to put them back on the case while the case is charged. If the case is not charged and you put them back on, they will basically stay on. It will basically act like you didn't do anything. I'm actually going to try to pair them. Okay, so I'm going to take them out of the case. And see, it's trying to pair this. I'm going to search for them on my phone. And I can find them. It's AUKEY EP-T20. Pair, okay. And now they stop flashing. Okay. So I will put them on. And at the, oh, I didn't really show you that, but at the bottom here, it actually says right. You see a little R here. And then there's a little L here. So that's great. That's something that wasn't on the Xiaomi. Okay, they fit pretty well. Oh my God, I cannot. Oh yeah, okay. Those gummy earplugs actually fit so well that it's hard to hear myself. It really feels like you put both your fingers in your ears. Oh my God. Anyways, I wasn't able to actually test the earbuds microphone, unfortunately. For some reason, none of my apps are actually, I'm gonna take them off because it feels weird to speak with them. Am I meant to take off the sponge? I'm guessing. Why is there extra work? Okay, there's the sponge. It's just a sponge. The sponge actually has the best adhesion than everything. I'm guessing this is what I'm supposed to do. Let's put on, actually, let's put the mediums back on, because I do believe my ear holes are medium sized. But that gummy material was just a sponge, a protective sponge, I'm guessing. Because right now there's no issues. I kind of feel like an idiot, but hey, it's not written in the manual. The manual just says pick your size and then enjoy. No wonder it wasn't fitting. Okay. Now they should be good. So right there we go. Okay. I'm kind of mad because it feels like with the sponge I had. Oh no, never mind. It does fit just like with the sponge. So it does really block everything else. Oh my god, it's hard to hear anything else. Oh my god, I'm hearing parts of this song that I've actually never heard before. This is Rose Quartz by Toro y Moi. Oh my, okay, the bass is even louder now. Oh, oh my god. Oh my god, this is great. You do have to put them very deep in your ear in order to really hear the bass, but once you have them fitting there, it's kind of amazing. Oh my god. I feel like there's a lot of bass, even more bass now. Anyways, I'm gonna wrap up. Let me take them off. I'm gonna wrap up this unboxing, let them charge a little bit. And yeah, those were the AUKEY True Wireless earbuds, and I'm so satisfied. Hopefully they don't die within 3 days just like the other ones, but I'm liking this. I'm really liking it. For the price, which was about 30 euros, I'll probably put up the price, and there will be a link in the description if you're interested in getting some. I will put the links for the UK and also for the US. Those are affiliate links. And yeah, let me know in the comments if you have any thoughts about them, or if you have any questions. I'm actually going to use them. This is going to be for personal use. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions and I'll probably be able to answer them. And now I'm realizing I do not have an outro for this particular channel. Okay, well, I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching my video, and stay safe or something. I'll come up with an outro at some point. See ya.